How to change ringtone on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to change your ringtone on your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your settings menu, and once you land on the settings page, you just want to have to find a settings related to sound and vibrations. Click on it, and from here you will see your ringtone option. As you can see here, on both of my sims I have the same ringtone. So what I'm gonna do is tap on this one, and I'm gonna tap on sim 2 to change my ringtone on sim 2. So let me just increase it a bit so you'll be able to hear it. So as you guys can see here, it's right now playing this ringtone. But if you want to change it, you can select from any of these inbuilt ringtones. But what you can also do is add a ringtone from your media. So tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and then select any song or any audio that you have saved on your device. So after doing this, you should be able to select a different ringtone. So let me just select this one right here. If I increase the volume, as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.